Alright, everybody, let's do this here, GE. I don't know what's wrong with it. I don't know if anything's wrong with it. It just like, they said it squeaked, but I couldn't get it to squeak, so I'm not really sure what's going on here. But we'll get our quarter and come to the back. We got a quarter here and a quarter over here. 2 quarters. So now I'm just gonna hit right there, and then I'm gonna hit right here. Pull this out, and then we'll switch to the Phillips here. Wonder what that is. But we got 2 up here. There's like this thing they put on the back. I don't know what the deal is. I need to take it off. I can't really like lean this back. They didn't give me enough cord. Alright, so let's take this off. So we could probably just replace this, but see how this is like. I think we're to the point to where we can, this hasn't worn through yet. So we can just put new ones, or these ones on. Look at this one. This one's like in 2 pieces here. It's like folded over. It's supposed to be up here. Oh, look at that. That one's broken off. So we're gonna have to do a new one of these. There's nothing there to hold this because the little thing's busted off. Well, I think I have one, so looks like we're doing it. Have one anyways, so might as well. Alright. I'm just gonna roll it over here. So we'll replace that. We got the kind of normal bunch of lint down here. Squirrel cage is still attached, so that's good. Let's get this drum out. This thing doesn't look great, so we need a new one of those too, I think. This sort of looks like this. We got some stuff there. How's it gonna go today? Am I gonna get stabbed? I don't know. I think I have to get this little like thing off here. So it just like broke apart. I think I'm just gonna I'm gonna not put this thing back on this time. It's gonna be alright. There's nowhere for this thing to go, so. Alright, there we go. Find the hole, put the belt on here. Alright, because this bearing here. Just open the door, and then we got 2 screws in here. Get the needle nose here. Okay. So we got to get this light out. So we got a screw here for the light. There's the new one out of there. So we need to put this in it. I need to pull this metal thing out of here and then put it into here. Okay, got that all in there. Then we need to pop out this middle thing here for the light. And then the light goes first. Okay, so we'll just put the light back in here, and then we'll screw it on there. Put that on there. 1/4 inch screw or the square. Just ram it down onto there, and then we put our little wire tie into there, our other wire tie into there. Then we got to push it down in the bottom bearing housing. Okay, got that side down. That one down. Okay, so now we're going to put the 2 screws back in the front. Alright, so now we should be able to just put this thing back on here, right? Back end. We got our... We're still hooked up down here. See, and this one doesn't have the 2 sensor bars either. And this one does have the sensor drive, so there's got to be a different way that these work. We have to figure out which one of those sensors that they're missing, and then be able to change it. Okay, put the drum over there, the bearing there. Then we'll get the 1/4 back. 2 quarters on this. Quarter there, 1/4 there. And put this back on here. These never like really line up all that well after for some reason. I don't know what's going on here. See, and this one's pretty much lined up. Explain that one to me. Alright, now we got 2 more quarters. And push this back on. This thing's kind of bent. Okay, 2 quarters and then the quarter on that back weird thing. That quarter. Then we got this quarter over here. Right here. I don't know what the point of this thing is either. Like, what does that thing do? Anybody know what that thing does? Comment below. Because I don't know what that thing does. Alright, there we go. Let's plug it in and see how it works. Alright, let's check it out here now. Let's see. Time dry. I don't know if it's any quieter than it was, but probably is. It seems pretty quiet. So, should be good now. Should be good now. It's pretty quiet. It's definitely heating. So, this thing's in good shape. Right on. Well, I'll just clean it up and send it out. So, yeah, there you go. There's your GE teardown bearing replacement. Thanks for watching. Comment and subscribe.